I'll demonstrate how to add a new eGeeTouch Smart NFC tag to your smart padlock. Launch the eGeeTouch Manager app, then select the lock you wish to add an NFC tag to. Power on your smart padlock by firmly pressing the shackle down into the base, and the padlock will beep and an indicator light will flash. Select the settings icon at the bottom and scroll down to where it says Manage Tag, then select Manage Tag. To add a tag, select the plus icon and enter the provided tag ID, which can be found in the manual or included with the NFC tag if you've purchased NFC tags from eGeeTouch. Once you enter the provided tag ID, then enter a tag name of your choice. Select the plus icon to confirm, and the new tag appears in the Manage Tag screen.